This is a trick using cut and paste to address the issue where dollar signs cause you a problem when you're trying to copy and paste. So first the problem, I've created product A here, and you'll see that this is working perfectly. So that's great, it's looking there, we've done product A, it all works fine. What we now want to do is we want to copy it because we're too lazy to do product B manually, so I'm going to paste it. We can change the inputs to the different numbers. And the problem you'll see is if you look now at what it's doing, these formulas you said $B, $10. So unfortunately when you copy it and you go over here, it keeps looking at the original one. So this is going to cause you a problem. So what we're going to do is trick Excel into copying this but changing these dollar signs so that it maintains itself within this block. So the first thing we're going to do, again we highlight this, but this time instead of doing a copy we do a cut. So it's Control X, or you could right click and you'll see there's a cut option there. When you've done the cut on a separate workbook, so I'm going to go Control N and just open a new workbook. And over here, I can either paste or Control V. And what you'll see, it's now here. If I go back to the original, you'll see it's disappeared from here. So this kind of defeats the point. But that's fine for now, because when you do a cut, you'll see it's no longer referring to $B10. It is self-contained. Then all we need to do is go back to this file, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this file down, but don't save it, and then immediately just open it up again. Because we didn't save it, what you'll see is that this is still here, but now what we can do is go to this section, again I highlight it, I cut it, Control X, come back here, and I can now paste it. So it doesn't look like, it looks exactly the same like the previous one, except now when you look at the formulas, you'll see that they are self-contained. So when you do a cut, everything cuts, formulas change even if they have dollar signs, and we can use this trick of cutting it out, closing the file and not saving and opening it, to then regenerate a section that under normal circumstances would not adjust the formula the way we expect it to.